Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop coding tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to use intro maker app that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and in here search in 1Intro, and here it is, the first one. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that you can do with this application. You can create a stunning video intro with the intro maker. So it has 1000 plus intro templates, ready-made templates or ready to use templates that you can use. So as you can see, no design is required. Logo intro and logo intro, gaming intro, logo and text animation, and so much more. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that you can create a stunning video intro and outro with the Auto Maker and Creative. Browse the Editable News intro templates to get started. It has these key features available: editable intro templates, search for category, change background stickers, change text and fonts, and more. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, here it is. And as you can see, intro maker, this is the introductory page, and let's proceed. Create amazing intro and outro videos in minutes. Next, three easy steps to export, customize 1200 plus templates with unique font style, sticker, image, and music. Easy to use for everyone, so no video editing skill is required. Just drag and drop the layers as per your need. Let's proceed to the next. And social media compatibility. So 1Intro is powerful tool for growing your YouTube social channel to the new level. Alright, so this is the interface, and as you can see, these are the predefined templates that you can use right away. So there is no need for you to edit at all or to create everything from scratch. You just have to change the text and choose your template. So let's say logo intro. Okay, these are the logo available that we can use in our YouTube channel or other social media account. So let's say for gaming, then you can try this one. Okay, so there, so that's the preview. And if you want to try this, then just tap the edit. Let's check other templates. So again, for gaming, there is a lot of features available in here. You can choose any templates. So this one's cool. Okay, this one's also cool. As you can see, it has the intro and the outro. Okay, that's how it looks, and the outro or the ending is going to look like this, which is really good. We can also try this one. Okay, it's good, and the ending or the outro will look like this. Okay, this is for basketball. So let's try. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, this is a countdown template. So it's also amazing. to the first page, and let's just simplify this. Let's try this one and see how it looks. Okay, it's going to take for a while depending on your internet speed, and as you can see I have a slow internet connection right now, so let me go ahead and try other one. Let's just try this. Okay, there. Okay, let's edit, allow, and downloading template. Okay, so alright, so these are the elements that we need to edit. So we can move this, okay, and select this one here, the text. This is what we want to change. We don't want to change this one, okay, and also this one, if you're going to move it like that in here. Okay, we want the logo and the background. What we need to change is the item solution or the text. This one here, if you have your custom logo, then you can remove this by clicking the X button and then upload your own logo. So as you can see, there's tools in here, the text, if you want to add text, image, stickers, music, background, and so on. So this example, I'm just going to edit this one. Okay, by double tapping it, and you will see this option, and here we can change the text, and I will put my YouTube channel, Nonstop Coding Tutorial. Okay, let's just the Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and okay, that's done. And as you can see, you have the option to change the font, and you can also drag and drop this anywhere you like, make it bigger or smaller. Okay, you can change the size, the font size, the font color, font text, as you can see in here. You can customize this according to your needs. And let's also try the animation. Yes, they also have this animation, blink, and then fonts. There you have the option to change the fonts, the color, shades, and so on. And let's just okay, this is what we want right now, and let's go back. Okay, the text should start from here. Let's play again. There. Okay, it's blinking. It's good. And if you don't want the blinking effect, then just double tap the text, go to animation and set it to none, and then go back again and play, and it's no longer blinking. That's how you apply an effect and remove an effect. Text, here is the text. You can edit the text, add text, images. There, if you want to change it, delete it, you have the option to do that. Or animate it, tools, as you can see in here, you have the option to crop it. Your art, you can also upload your own logos or watermarks. It's up to you. And stickers, these are the stickers. They have emojis, likes, subscribe, and so much more. So it's really amazing. All of these are free to use for your YouTube or social media account. And music, you can also add music if you want to. I'm going to skip the music part. I'm not going to add any music in here. I'm just going to leave the default. Background is where you can change the background. So as you can see, you have this option, crop, trim, and music on. Tap to change background. So this is where you can pick your own logos or background for outros and intros, typography. There's a lot of options available that you can choose: nature's, waterfall, and so much more. You can also use the search function if you want to. Just type a keyword and look, and then tap the search, and you will have all of the options listed in here. So let's just assume that this is what I want, and I no longer need the option to disable the sound, enable the sound. So it's up to you. And also, okay, let's play it one more time. It's going to look like that. Okay, it's good. So this, I will going to save this now, and as you can see, these are the available format that you can choose. So full HD 1080p or 720. Standard video is 480p, and low resolution is 360p. So it is best to use the full HD, especially if you're going to use this for your YouTube channel. Make sure that it has the highest quality. Exporting it now. Let's wait. Okay, there you have it. Okay, you can rate this app if you want to. Let me just skip that. And okay, this is the final result. Now you have the option to share it to your YouTube, make another video. It's up to you. I will just going to skip that part and go back to the home page, and we're back here again. So that's how easy it is to use this application. You don't have to create everything from scratch. You just have to tweak or edit the text, and you have your intro and outro for your YouTube or your social media accounts. Cinematic intro, as you can see, this is also good. Okay, Zombieland. All right, since Halloween is coming, you can try this. Okay, it's going to look like this. There. For your TikTok, if you have a TikTok, then you can also use this intro. And for YouTube, there. That's the outro or ending. This is the intro. Okay, let's try this. Edit. Downloading template. Let's wait. Okay, so here it is, and you have the option to customize everything. Okay, you can change text, change backgrounds. So as you can see, there's a lot of elements in here. So they are coming, Zombieland, and then the logo there, that's the logo. You can change that. I don't want this logo, so I'm just going to double tap and then remove. Are you sure? Yes or no? Yes, if you want to, then, or you can change it. Okay, these are the available. Okay, so this is where I want to try. I want to change it instead. Okay, let me just try this one. There. I think it's better if I put this one here, or I don't know where. Okay, just like that, and let's go back and play it again. It's going to look like this. There, it's amazing. So again, just double tap the elements that you want to edit, like this one. If you want to change the title, then double tap and you can edit the text. So you can put your YouTube channel like that, and then if it's not in the, you can drag and drop this text in here. You can make it smaller or bigger, change fonts and so on. So text too, you can change it. I'm just going to leave that and move it a little bit down, this one as well. And okay, I think that's already good, and I'm going to save it now. And as always, I recommend using the full HD video or the 1080p. It should be the high definition, high quality. Okay, it's done. You can play it. There, that's the intro. If you want to create an outro, then you can also try this one, edit it. So that's how simple and really easy to use. So in here, if you notice, there is this options below: template, category, and explore, tools, my design. So my design is where all our designs will be listed. It will be visible in here. Tools is where you can use these tools: mix audio, merge audio, convert, split, record video to GIF, compress, and so much more. So they have these tools available for you to choose, or available for you to use. You can also reverse a video if you want to reverse your videos. It is possible. Okay, explore is where you can see informations on how you can promote your channel and so on. Category is where you can see all the category lists available. So logo, promo, gaming intro, you will see that in here. And if you scroll down, you will see more, like this one: educational, glitch if you want glitch effect, announcement, this one like news, and so much more. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.